How to see your Snapchat recap for the year. Fast and easy. Want to see your Snapchat highlights for this year? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to view your Snapchat recap. And there are even two ways to do it depending on your app. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll start on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your main profile page, where all your stories, memories, and cameos are displayed. Step 2. Look for Snapchat Recap. Underneath your username, check for a card or banner labeled Recap or Year in Review. If you see it, just tap it. Your recap video will open instantly. Watch it, save it, or share it with friends. Step 3. If you don't see the recap in the app. Some accounts don't get the recap directly in the app right away. Don't worry, you can still access it through your browser. 1. Open any browser on your phone. 2. Go to snapchat.com/recap. 3. Tap Login and sign in with your Snapchat account. 4. The page will automatically check if your recap is ready. 5. If it is, your Snapchat recap will appear. Tap to watch, save, or download. Step 4. Troubleshooting. If you still don't see your recap, 1. Update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play and make sure you're using the latest version. 2. Restart the app. Close Snapchat completely, then reopen it and check again. Most users get their recap after doing one of these two steps. And that's it. That's how you can quickly view your Snapchat recap for this year. If this guide helped you, drop a like and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in